This is a shot by Videographer production.
Gunshots all through the night, couldn't sleep, took my uncle's drop out of the closet, had him for weeks.
It's JP Sounds.
This some serious shit. I'm about to lay some on y'all ready?
Talk to her.
Struggle getting harder, day by day. But hold your head, little nigga, look, you gon' be great. Protect your family in the bag, and you gon' be straight. And cut his fucking head off, he put his hand on your plate. Let's roll, struggle getting harder, day by day. But hold your head, little beauty queen, you gon' be great. Don't say your body to them niggas, they ain't got enough cake. One day you be a beauty queen, just watch what I say. Stroll, gunshots all through the nights, couldn't sleep. Took my uncle's strap out of the closet, had him for weeks. I was riding through New Orleans, 5th grade, toting my heat. Was a product of my environment, fuck you thought I would be. Riding through the jungle, don't fall victim to the system. Found a rapper better, must be deafer, I just missed him. My nigga B just died, so I'm really out your loss. Niggas want that smoke, we gon' bring you that exhaust. Raised uptown in the jungle with wolves. We eat the sheep up for breakfast, rock they fur like it's war. I control a lot of the strings, boy, so watch what you pour. Might pull a you on you and get you swept like the floors. Let's roll, used to be a janitor, now a general manager. $1 million lifestyles, nigga, I can manage ya. Kizzy shine so bright, they turn the rum lights down. Pussy niggas like we're he ain't in the room right now. I'm so vicious, man, I gotta take a gentle approach. Man, I love people, wish people love theyself even more. Cause the system built for the rich, it ain't no love for the poor. And we self-destruct before we get the time to explore. Let's roll, open up your mind and watch your heart start to pour. This shit real rap, and no, I ain't a prophet, my boy. But I work hard and do want all the profit, my boy. If you ain't got it, with red beams spot you, my boy. I got you, struggle getting harder, day by day. But hold your head, little nigga, look, you gon' be great. Protect your family in the bag, and you gon' be straight. He cut his fucking head off, he put his hand on your plate. Lord, don't fall victim to the system. Found a rapper better, must be deaf, I just missed him. Don't fall victim to the system. Found a rapper better, must be deaf, but I just missed him. Harder, day by day. But hold your head, little nigga, look, you gon' be great. Look, you gon' be straight. Cut his fucking head off, he put his hand on your plate. Lord, city going crazy. The fucking system starving babies. The politicians making gravy while we out here fucking slaving, man. You must be fucking crazy. Think it's time we stand up. Pussy nigga, man up. You ain't got your chopper bullets loaded, get your bands up. Gotta make yourself a hustle. We gon' move it to the muscle. Tell the water chip for real. Put it, but we with the tussle. I'ma scuffle when I get it out the mud. Tell the water chill, we got it out the blood. I watched the murder, I was 8. Ever since I knew I had to keep that thing stable straight. Tell the water we play safe, Lord. Gentlemen, but I condone violence. Every time I close my eyelids, I think of islands. Owning those, condoning those. Businesses, what a chill for we visit, sis. Only need a bad bitch that I could probably build a business with. And make sure we make it businesses. Lil' Woody, mind your business, bitch. Cause when this shit gets slick, the thing gon' bang till it click.
I just missed them. Don't fall victim to the system. Found a rapper better, must be deaf, we dismissed them.
Oh, Videographer Productions.